Hello everyone and welcome back to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new wallet account on the Bifrost Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bifrost Wallet application on your device. And from the home page, to create your new wallet, tap on the Create New Wallet option. Then agree with the terms and conditions and tap on the I understand checkbox to begin your wallet backup. You will now be shown your recovery phrase, which has 12 random words. Copy this to your clipboard, or you can also make a manual note. Now tap on the Continue button, and you will be asked to enter the 12-word recovery phrase in the correct order. Just check your previous note and make sure to enter the 12th phrase in the correct order, and then tap on Continue. You will now be allowed to create a PIN code for your account. Type in your preferred PIN code, and then type it in once again for confirmation. Now you can tap on the Enable Biometrics option and provide your biometric verification. After this, your account has now successfully been set up. You can now start trading with your desired crypto on the Bifrost wallet. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Bifrost Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.